How to set up Rise as a payment method for prop firm payout. Now this process is very easy. All you have to do is just simply log into your prop firm account, go to your dashboard and simply hit on payout or withdraw. Once you're there, all you have to do is choose on the payment method tab and then locate the Rise. Now once you have chosen Rise, you will be redirected to the Rise login page, which is actually similar to this one right here that is showing on your screen. All you have to do is to input your first name, a full name, and as well as the email address, or basically your Rise Pay account. Once you have successfully filled out those forms, just hit on confirm and just hit on confirm again to fully complete the payment method setup. Now, once everything is sorted out, you have successfully set it up your Rise as a payment method on your